In this video tutorial we're going to explain step by step, steps on how you can delete your Google account. We'll explain all the steps here. I also recommend watching the step-by-step video tutorial. I'll take this step so you don't miss any details. You'll save yourself the trouble of taking it to a technician so you can delete that account and be able to create a new one or add an account you already have. It is available because sometimes it happens that we bought some phones and they gave them to us with the account. If that's your case, perhaps you created a Google account but forgot the password. Well, this can also be applied to removing it. We'll explain all the steps so you can do it. The other thing would be that you also won't need to use it. A PC. This would be a completely PC-free method to delete that account. You also won't be able to verify two-step verification. He's not going to ask you for it either, eh? Well, having said all that, what we're going to do is get to the point. Let's go to what's here in adjustment. While we're here in settings, we'll look for this option further down. Two options will appear. Google will appear here, our account will appear here, This is for here, it will give us the option to delete that account. Here we have the option to manage it. But that's not what we want. If that's the case, then we'll go back. We're going to click here where it says Google account. We click here, it says Google account again. We select the account, whether you have 1, 2, or 3 accounts. 5 accounts, 10 accounts and you want to delete it, you're going to follow these steps. You're going to select it, you're going to click here where it says remove account. Here you're going to click OK. Now it's going to ask you for the screen lock. If you don't have a screen lock, I recommend that. Add it, because if you don't add it, it will ask for your Google account. Then we write the screen lock so that it can delete it, because otherwise it will ask you for the password of that Google account.